Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an example, a couple examples of rolling business volume. We need 100 business volume monthly. Now that is a rolling month, so it's not like from the 1st of the month to the 30th of the month, unless that's when you start. It is a rolling month. So I wanted to give you some examples of what this looks like. So here is example 1. So let's say on 6/30, we order 100 business volume. And then on 7/29, we're going to order another 100 business volume because we know that this 100 that we placed on 6/30 is going to fall off. So then again, we're going to place another order of 100 business volume on 8/28. So I actually do it 29 days out. And there is a video that I did before on why you set your auto ship or your lifestyle rewards to 29 days. That way you can collect all of the points that are available. So why on earth do we do this rolling business volume? We do it because Isagenix allows us to bank volume of those that come after us, that are below us, that are on our team. They allow us to bank that volume. It never flushes or goes away as long as we maintain that 100 business volume. And if you are using products, you're eating your overhead, that 100 business volume should be no problem at all. Now, you can utilize the 100 business volume and bank those points even if you haven't shared with 2 people yet, which is really awesome. So know that if you haven't shared, you're still banking those points. And if you have shared, the 100 business volume is even more important because you are able to earn that residual income by maintaining that 100 business volume and being active. So here is example 2. So in example 2, we have 100 business volume on the 30th, and then let's say a shake comes out, shake drop. So we order 81 business volume on the 9th. So technically, on the 30th of July, this 100 is going to fall off, and we'll now have 100 business volume. But then on August 9th, this 81 is also going to fall off. So we would need 81 more business volume on August 9th to maintain that 100 business volume. So here is what I prefer to do if I have the opportunity, because it makes my life easier, is when I order these shakes on the 9th, the shake drop, I still keep my lifestyle rewards at 100 business volume on the 30th. And then when this falls off, I know I have my 100, but I know I'm only going to need 100 more on August 30th. So it makes my life a heck of a lot easier to make sure that I maintain that 100 business volume. So here is the next example. So example 3, I place an order of 100 business volume on the 30th. And then I'm like, oh, I need some hydrate or I need something. So on the 9th, I order 14 business volume. Then maybe I have the free shipping that I paid the $119 for. So I'm like, I'm not paying shipping. I'm going to order again. So on the 24th, I order a shake. So once, though, this falls off on the 30th, I'm going to need 45 more business volume for this to equal 100. So then it starts all over. If I don't order 100 business volume here on the 30th, I'm going to need to order 14 business volume on the 9th to keep my 100, and then 41 on the 24th of August to keep my business volume. So it's much easier to do this. Let's say you place your 100 business volume on the 30th, you order your hydrate, maybe you wait to order this shake. Maybe you can wait and you order it on the 9th. That way you order your 100 business volume in your lifestyle rewards. That way you're at 100 business volume. You'll know you'll be at 100 for the month. And anything you order will just be on top of that. So those are some examples. Hopefully that gives you guys some more insight on how the rolling BV works. Basically, your orders are always dropping off and you need to stay at 100 business volume.